Okay, children, now under part 3 in symmetry lesson, we'll begin 1.3, creating plane figures having bilateral symmetry. Creating plane figures having bilateral symmetry. So under activity 3, we'll go through this part by part. So they are asking us first in step 1, get a piece of paper of any shape and a pair of scissors. You have to get a piece of paper and pair of scissors, right? Then under step 2, very easy, you have to fold the paper into 2, right? It shows here, right? It shows you here. Here, see? It's visible to you now. And so under step 3, what you have to do? Draw any figure of your choice, such as that it contains a part of the line of folding and is limited to area where the two portions overlap, right? See the diagram. See the diagram here according to this. Now, in the previous step, you are folding the particular paper, and after folding the paper through the fold, you are creating a small, right? You are drawing a small figure, right? So this is how you are going to draw the figure. So later what you have to do under step 4, right? Under step 4, what you have to do? Under step 4, you have to cut out the figure you drew. Here is the figure you drew previously. You are cutting that down. Okay. After that, under step 5, you have to unfold the figure. You have to unfold the figure. So once you unfold the figure, it will show you such a so once this will show you under step 5, unfold the figure. So when you unfold the figure, you will get a this sort of a figure, right? So you can see very well at the end of the above activity, you obtain a bilaterally symmetric figure. Here, you obtain a bilaterally symmetric figure, no? Here, see, equal parts, equal same parts. It will coincide one another, right? You can fold it, and see it will coincide. The each part of the particular figure will be coincide. Okay. Now under we'll go through the activity 4 now. Activity 4. Under activity 4, step 1, take another piece of paper and fold it twice so that you obtain a right angle corner. Right? Make sure to obtain a right angle corner. Right? Under step 2, what you have to do is now draw a figure on this paper so that it includes the right angle corner and such that it is limited to the region where the 4 portions of paper overlap, right? Then what you have to do is cut the figure and unfold it. You have to cut the figure and unfold it. Then you will obtain a bilaterally symmetric figure with 2 axes of symmetry. Now, in previous activity, you got only one bilateral symmetric, one axis you got, right? Here you get 2 axes of symmetry. Earlier, previous one axis of symmetry. Now here, 2 axes of symmetry, where the axes of the symmetry are the 2 lines along which you folded the paper. So you would have folded this paper twice, then those twice will give you the two axes of the symmetry, right? Okay, very clear. So this is what shown to you under step 3. So after you fold it for 2 times in 2 directions, here, cut out other symmetric figures in this manner, right? So they are asking us to cut out other symmetric figures in this manner. So this is what you will be taking, and you have to fold it twice, right? You are folding it twice, and you are doing the drawing of a figure, and you will have to cut it down, right? You are cutting it down, and then once you unfold it back, you will get two axes of symmetry, right? Okay, now under activity 5. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to answer. Uh, Please feel free to ask your questions. You can raise them in the comment section, in YouTube comment section, right? So likewise, you can get it more clear then if you have any doubts. Right. Under activity 5, this was another activity. Now we are talking the fifth one now. Step 1. Under step 1, get a paper and some paint. You have to get a paper and some paint. Then under step 2, what you have to do is fold the paper into 2 parts. You have to fold the paper into 2 parts as shown in the figure, right? Then under step 3, now unfold the paper. You have to unfold it, and on the side that is folded in, place a drop of paint so that it is lies on the line of folding, right? Like this. Then under step 4, what you have to do is you now fold the paper back and press with your hand. Now again fold the paper and press it with your hand, by your hand, right? And unfold the paper and see again. Then what will you will get? At the end of the activity, you will obtain a bilaterally symmetric figure as shown in the diagram here, right? So if you do it properly, you will see this bilaterally symmetric figure properly, right? And under step 6, following the above steps, obtain different bilaterally symmetric figures by changing the amount of paint used or by pressing down in different directions. So you can change the amount of paint what you are going to use, or else you can press it down in different directions, right? So in that manner also you will have different bilateral symmetric figures, right? Okay, there's an assignment for your children. So you can go through this, the assignment given to you. Assignment, right? You have to create various bilaterally symmetric plane figures by cutting out folded paper, as well as by placing drops of paint on folded paper, as done in the previous activities, as we did now few minutes back, right? And prepare an attractive wall decoration using the symmetric figures that you create. So you can focus on that as well. If you have free time, better to go through this particular assignment. Okay. Now in our next section, right, under part 4, we will talk about drawing bilaterally symmetric plane figures, right? We are going to draw bilaterally symmetric figures, symmetric plane figures in our part 4 session. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for being with my channel, right? You can improve your knowledge for free, right? Then have a nice day. We'll meet up with the lesson number 1, part 4 next time. Okay. Thank you very much.